Welcome back everyone. So in this video I will discuss how to create an ebook through Canva. So that is very important topic because most of the people nowadays they are creating their own ebook. So to creating an ebook you just need to go to first of all home page. Just I'm going to a home page by clicking over here, clicking on home. So here you can see you will get these options. Okay, and you can also click on more. So you can just search from over here book. So here you will get some options. Okay, so this is booklet. You can use this option. These two are for they have different size. You can just consider the size. Okay, before creating. Other option is you can just click over here and search for ebook templates. So you can just uh, you will get some options over here. So I'm just selecting this. So here you can see this is the Canva templates 20,000 and so here you will get some options of ebook templates. So you can select as per as you like. So I'm just as an example and also like you will select the categories. So here you can see I can just click on see all. So from over here you can select the category which you like. It is showing all categories, but here you will get see you will see this option like what category you want. Okay, and you can just click on all filters over here. So by default it is displaying all categories. So here you can see you can start select from over here as well. So as an example I am just selecting this one, and here you can see it has some pages. So you can just click on customize this template. So it has some pages. And if you have to create some pages, so you can just click on like this is number 2 chapter 2. So you can just duplicate the page. Now you can change. So this is very customizable. You can just create like this, and you can change the your options. Like this is the page 1, chapter 1. What I want to do is I just want to upload an image. So I'm just going to use this option, and I'm just uploading this image over here. So I can add media. I can just I can change the text. I can change the, here you can see, so this is the color of the text. If I will click over here and if I will select some other color, so here you will see changes all. So if I am going to use over here, so it will change the same font to, I will have it will happen for every same font. Okay, so I'm just clicking on change all. So you will see the same font will change to a different color, but it's not, here you can see it is changes for the current page. Okay, the color of the text has been changed. Okay, like this you can do for every page. Okay, and so like this, so this is the, I'm selecting this page and I can change anything. I can change the topic, I can change the font color, I can change font type from over here. Now it is ovo, I am selecting some different font. Again it will display change all, so it will change for, here you can see this has also changed and this is also changed. Okay, so like this, here you can see now I have selected this and now this is also the same font. Okay, so it has been changed for every page because I clicked on changes to all. Now, so this is the page, and if I'm going to select this template, so like this you can create your book and you can add the content to the book. So, and after adding the content to the book, what you need to do is you can also add your page and add the content. You can modify the content over here. You can add text, whatever you want to add. Media, you can, any media, like you can upload any image, any video file. Okay, and once it is done, so what you need to do is you can just click on share and you can just, so there are some options like download, public view link, okay, template link. So I'm just clicking on download. So here you will see the options, how many pages you want to download. So it is displaying 1 to 9 and you can also deselect the pages as you want. I just want to download page 1. Okay, so like this you can use, and after that you can just click on done. And this is by default PNG, but I want it in the PDF format. So I'm just selecting this option and I want to download all of the pages, and I just need to click on download button. So once I will download it, it will give me a PDF file. So this is the PDF file it has generated. Okay, so like this you can create, here you can see this is the image I added. So it is showing the image, and okay, so this is the file, this is the ebook. You can just create anything on it. So I'm just going to show you one practical thing. Using that you can You will get some designing skills like how to use and how to. I'm just going to show you how to create a student planner. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new design and I'm just selecting the booklet template. I just need to search for it. You can also create ebook cover and there are lots of template for everything is available. You can search for that and use that. So I'm just going to create a book from over here. So this is the booklet and so there are different sizes. I'm just using this A5 size and what I'm going to do is and so after using the template as an example I'm using this template and I just need to click on apply all 13 pages. So now I'm getting all of the pages. Okay, and I have using this template. What I can do is I can go to style and this is the color palette brand kit. So or I can use some like this is the template which I can which I used recently used here you can see. So and these are some combination of templates. So what I can do is I can select the style. Okay, the color which I have used recently or from the brand kit. If you have used brand kit so you can get the color theme from over here and you can also shuffle because it has different color. If I am selecting this so it has different color. Here you can see if I am going to shuffle again and again so the color will change. So it will provide me different type of formats. So you can use the format which you want. Okay, and so I'm just going to select this one. I like this and what I'm going to do is I just want a blank page. So what I need is I'm just going to okay let me create a new design because I just want a blank template. So I'm just going to new booklet A5. Let me close the previous. So let me just close everything and yeah this is fine. So this is a blank page right now and I can increase the size from over here. This is 58%. So I'm just doing like this and I'm just creating a student planner because this is nowadays in very much demand for the digital product. So I'm just uh, creating a value planner and so I have added a text. Now I just need to add a table. So I will go to elements and search for table. So you will get here lots of options available. So I'm just going to select this one. I like this format. So this is very simple one and I need so for to modify its data or its presence what you need to do is you can just click on this three dot button and here you can see so there are so many things. So I just want to I want to add some column to it. I will add column. I just want to add 7 columns. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it has 5. Now I am adding 2 more column, and so these are, now I will add a text. So I am adding a text that is for the Monday, and I just need to decrease it a little bit, and just going to put it over here. And let me just increase the size of this planner, and this is, now you can just copy it and paste over here. And now you can copy both of them by selecting Control key, and or you can press the Shift button and then copy and then paste. So here you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lock this all of the table, because so that it will not, I'm just going to click on lock. So now it will not, you know, misplaced, it will remain the same. So I'm just deleting this one, and I'm just going to use the Shift key plus mouse click and Control C and Control V. Now I have got one more, and I'm just going to put over here like this. Or you can, what you can do is just use this, and okay, and I just need one more. So I'm just going to use over here, and that extra I don't need that. So here you can see I just can change the font from moderate text. So like this we can just make a changes, and even you can change the, font color and style of this table. So what you need to do is, this is locked. So first of all you just need to unlock it, and you will get this option of the table. You can just click over here. So here you will get the many options. Okay, like you can do size rows equally, size rows to content, size column to content, merge cells. So you can do everything with this table. And okay, so if you will select it, and here you can see this is the color. If you want to change the color, like this is the background color. Okay, and so earlier it was this color, so I just want to change the color first of all, not to every. So just for particular for this row only. So I will select this and I will click on over here. So now it is, or if something happened by mistake, you can just use the control Z, or you can use this control Z, or you can just click on this to undo the changes, and this is to redo. Okay, so now this is the table, and if you will click on it, so this is for the color. You can select change the background color or color of this border. So here, and this is the also option, this is for the border color. If I'm going to select this, so okay, it's because it was selected only, so it has changed for this. If I will, so because I have logged it, so that's why. Okay, I just need to select whole of the table. So now, but it is selecting only this one, so I need to select all of the table so that it will work, and then that will happen. For that I'm just doing undo for this. Okay, so you have got the idea. Like from over here you can just, and this is the spacing. You can just change the spacing. If you, here you can see, so it will change the spacing. And this is the table spacing, how you want to change the spacing of the table rows and columns. So, and this is for the cell spacing. Okay, so right now nothing is selected, so it is. So this is for the border. If you want some border, like how you want to set the border, so it will display accordingly. Like, because right now this one only this cell is selected, so that is why it is not showing any changes. Okay, so that's about this table. What I want to do is I just want to lock it first of all, and these are the values which I have entered, and I can add more, like 0 1. I can add this value over here, and I will use control C, control V, then I will use the shift key to select both of them, then I will use control C, control V again, and like this you can just make the changes. So this is not, so basically you just need to do some setting to make it look good. So like this you can fill all of the value. I'm not going to fill because that will take some time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just copying the same table. First of all, I'm unlocking it, and I'm just copying it, and I'm just paste over here. So I'm just pasting over here, and I need to put over here. So I'm just now I'm going to copy this one, and I need to paste over here. And now, so basically, once when you are going to paste anything, you just need to select the correct location. Like if your cursor is over here, and if you will paste, so that will paste over here in the table itself. So I'm just going to delete this one, and I want a duplicate of this. So I'm just clicking duplicate, and I'm using this. So I'm just adding a text to do list, and here I will see mentioning notes. So like this is a planner, and I'm going to add a page. So like this you can get an idea like how to create a page, or and how to use the element, how to design. So next is I'm going to add content contents, and I'm going to add button. For that I'm going to element, and I'm going to add buttons. I will get some button. So this one I'm going to use, and just I'm going to I want this part only, and I'm just going to duplicate, and I will use the shift to select both of the values, then control C and control V. I will put here like this, then like this, and now I'm going to use the shift again to select everything. Now control C and control V. So I have got like this. So still there's some distance which we can do easily. So and so after selecting this all, what I can do is I can use an option of align elements or space evenly, tidy up. So here you can see now it is everyone is in space, and I just need one more over here, and I can place like this. And I'm going to add a text, like I'm going to add a text to it, and I'm adding a text that is January, and I'm just copying it and pasting over here, and I'm using February. So like this we can just create the information. And if I have to, and I'm just going to add one image over here, home icon. I'm just selecting, and I will get some in the elements. I just want to use this home icon, and I will get some icons like this of home. So I'm just going to use this one over here, and it's over here, and I just need to select all of these and put it down somewhat. So I'm just going like this, and this value should be over here, and content is, it should be somewhat over here, and I just need to select all by pressing the key shift, and these also, and just drag and drop. So like this is looking somewhat good now, and this is the home page. So what I can do is, and I just want the same color of this, so I'm clicking on it, and here you can see this is the black color. I'm just selecting over here, and I can use add color, and I can use this pick a color, and I want to select this color. So here you can see, so it is matching with this color, or there's some difference, so that's fine. So now this is, I want to link it to this page. Okay, and okay, as an example, what I am going to do is I'm just creating a duplicate page, and this is for January, and I'm creating one more page, this is for February. So now we have different pages, and this is for this is not required, so I'm just considering to January and February for the example. So I want link it to the main home page. Okay, let me create one more page, and that one should be planner, and I just need to add a name to the page, that is planner, and I'm adding the page name as January or Jan only, and for this I'm adding page name Feb. So what I can do is I can just click on it, and you will see the option of link. I'm just using the option link, and I'm just selecting from over here, I'm selecting Jan, done, and this is for, I'm linking to Feb, and I'm clicking on done, and for this I'm just linking with main page, that is planner home page. So as an example, we can just build different forms with different data as per our requirement. So now what I'm going to do is, so this is planner page, now this is January, and this is February, and this is content. I just want to put it on the second, so I will use move up option. Now this is planner, now this is content, January, February. So this is ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just clicking on share, and I'm using the option download, and I'm using the PDF, and I want all of these 4 pages, and I'm just clicking on download button. So now it has downloaded, and here you can see this is the planner home page, this is the content. I'm clicking over here, so it is going to the home page. I'm clicking on January, so it is going to the January page. I'm clicking on February, so it is coming to redirecting to February page. So like this you can just create an ebook and use it. Okay, So that's about this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. So in this video, I'm going to show you like how I create these posters in very less time. Okay, so I have just created these posters like here you can see. So this is really very looking good, and this is to share on social media platform like on Facebook, LinkedIn, and on other social media platforms. So basically how to build such a good design using Canva. So what you can do is you can just go to canva.com and click on home page, and after clicking on home page, so you will get this. So here you will see what's new, and you can just see the recent designs, and just you will go below. So it is just going me the show, just showing me the recent designs, but I'm just looking for something, uh, like I'm just clicking on home again, and so sometimes you will come over here and you will see many design, but that's fine, it is not showing right now. So what I'm going to do is, what I want is a Facebook post, so I'm just selecting this. So this is the, now I will search for sale, because I just want to make a design for the coupon sale for Udemy or some my website course sale. So I'm just looking for, and it will be good if I will select the course sale. So you just need to use the some template. So here you can see this is also nice, but I'm just looking for some good template. So going to select, okay, I'm just going to select this one. So this one is looking good. So here you can see. So what I can do is, okay, this is paid image, so I just need to click on remove watermark. So I'm just going to delete this, and I'm just going to make a duplicate page, and I'm just going to uploads element and uploads, and I will use some other image as an example, this one. So I'm just going to use this one. Okay, and I just need to make it like this. And here you can see the background of this image is not the same as this is. So what I can do is I can just use this, and here you can see this is the background of this, but I want this blue color. So what I will go do, I will just go over here and I will just use this pick a color, and I will use this blue color. So here you can see now this is looking good, but the thing is there's separation between that, but that is fine. And if I want to change this color, so let's change it to this color. So what I will do is I will go to this color and pick this color. So yeah, this is looking somewhat fine. that I can do for this as well, and I will select this. So here you can see this is looking good now. And so um, so you can just add whatever you want to add on it, and you can just change the font color, text, and you can just mention your website name. So whatever information you have to add, you can add that information, and you can just increase or decrease the font size. So everything is customizable. You can customize each and everything. So the thing is, I have created one design. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this one, and I am just going to download it. This yellow color is not looking good because it is not matching. So I can change this one as well. So I'm going to make it somewhat different, which will look good. Yeah, this is looking something good to me. Okay, so I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to download the image for my use. And what you can do is, I have created one design, and now I can use it to create another design. What I need to do is I just do Control A. Okay, so I have selected all of the elements, and now I'm going to use the Control C to copy all of the elements, and I will just go to the design. So here you can see I found another relative. So I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to replace current, and I will use Control A, and I press the shift over here so that it will not be selected. And now I'm going to use the delete key. Now everything is deleted, only this image is left, and now I'm going to Control V. So I have got this. So what I need to do is I just need to select outside, and I will delete this image because I want to use this. So here you can see now my the text is same, and you in few minutes or few seconds I have created the another good design which I can use for my further use. Now I can change the color as well. So this is not looking good to me. I will just click on it, and I will change some other color which will look good. Yeah, this is matching with this right now. So I will see some color matching with this. This one is good, and also this one. Let me just use this. So this is looking somewhat better now, and I can just download this one, and I will do the same thing. I will just use the some other design, and as an example this one. So I will use Control A, and I will select delete. I'm just doing Control Z because this is paid, if you will see. So this is linings coming over here. It means this is a paid, so I'm just going to select some other free. So this one is the free. I'm just going to use this. Not this one. I'm just okay. This is video. I'm just looking for some good image. Uh, okay, just selecting this one. I like this one, so I'm just using Control A, and I will click over here with the pressing of Shift key so that this one will not get delete. And now I'm pressing delete, so this is left, and now I'm using Control V for pasting my previous all selected content. So now I'm going to delete this. Here you can see I have got another template, but I don't like this dark and these two colors. So what I'm going to do is I will replace this dark color with some light color, or yeah, this is looking much better. But this is white color and this is light color, so this is not good combination. So what I can do is I can just yeah, this one is looking good to me, and this color I need to change a bit. Okay, just let me try some other color. Okay, so there's a green. I'm just going to use this. Pink is not looking good, so this will look good. Okay, so let me change for this as well. So I will change. Yeah, this is looking much better. Still, we can do more changes to it because I don't like this and this color. Even I can remove this. This is not necessary, but I can change the color. So yeah, this is somewhat better. Yeah, that's fine. So here you can see now it's looking very beautiful, and we can change the color as we require. And I can just download this one for my further use. And same we can do to create another. I can use this as well, but this is for the makeup related, not for related to education. So I'm just looking for something related to education. So I think this is much clear about this. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Welcome back everyone. So in this lecture I will discuss like how to create very beautiful banners and poster in few minutes. So for first of all what you need to do is you will just go to your canva.com, and you just need to select YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so once you will select, after create a design you can select from there as well. So but you can just click on YouTube thumbnail. So because once you will select this YouTube thumbnail, you will get very good designs like this one. Here you can see this one. Okay, so you can just select. So what I just want to do is I just want to select this one, and I will click on add page, and after that I will go to design again, and I'm just going to select this one as an example. So what I want is I just want this image. I will copy it, and I will delete this, and I will paste it, and I will put it over here. Okay, so like this you can use different type of banners. You can create a very good banners in very less time. So I'm just going to delete this and I am just going to click on add on page. And so here you will see, because in this YouTube you will see a lots of good templates which you can use. So here you can see this is the good template, this one is good template. So I have used in on my website here. If you will see, so if you will go to coupons, so here you will see, like I have, or even if you will go to courses. So I'm just going to, okay, let me open it in. So these are some, I'm just going to open it in. So here you can see this design you can also make. So like this is a very good banner. Okay, so all of these are good banners which I have created using this. In YouTube thumbnail you will really get very good banners. So like this one, if you want to change the image you can just select and delete this, and you can just select another image. As an example, I want to use this one. So what I will do, I will just click on add page and I will just copy this and I will just select this image and I can just drag and drop like this. Okay, and I just need to put it like this. And another thing is, so even you can change everything, whatever text you want you can change the font from over here. As an example, this is color yellow, but I want it to be red color of this to be matched with this color. So what I will do is I will select this and I will click on color and I will click on this plus and I will use this picker color and I will put it over here. So here you can see this is now uh, become red, the same color, it is matching to this, but this is not looking good because the background is dark and front end is also dark. So what I need to do is I just need to change the background color. I just want it to be white, it will look good. And if the background is white, here you can see now it is looking better. And I can change this color as well. So I will just need to select this and I just need to select the color which I want. So I will select some color, or I can select this one color. So for that what I need to, so that it will be matching color. Here you can see now it is looking really good. So like this you can just, and also I can change the this color to this yellow color. So what I will do is I will just select the color and again I will pick a color. So here you can see now this is really looking very good. And instead of, of virtual assistants, I'm just selecting freelancer. Okay, so as an example, just, so I have just created these two, beautiful banners in few seconds or few minutes. And even I can put more design over here. So I can just select this and instead of, so I'm just doing undo and I'm just clicking on add page and let me just select this one. So what I will do is I will remove all of the background. Now it is looking very nice. Even I can change the color from over here like this. Okay, so you can just change whatever you want to, and you can keep whatever you want. So if I don't want this image, so I can just remove that. I can just change the size of the font by like doing this, and I can use some effects from over here. Like I just want this, or whatever the selected that was good. So what I can do is I can just click on undo. That was looking good, which was selected. Yeah, but I can change the color. Like I just want it to be green to match with this. So what I will do is I will just click on plus and I will pick a color, and I will just use the dark color. So I just need to select some dark portion. So here you can see. So even I can change the color of this to green, the same color which I have used here. So I will just select over here, and even I can change the color of this, and you will get the color in your recent over here as well for your good reference. So here you can see now it is looking very good. So like this you can just make the changes in a design, and you can whatever you can just change what as per your requirement. Okay, so that's I just wanted to tell you in this video, like if you will select the design as YouTube thumbnail, so you will get very good design, which and the size is also very good of this. The size that is 1280 uh, by 720 pixel, which you can use in mostly every post, like in Facebook. Facebook is different, but you can use it for YouTube thumbnail or some other post. You can, if you want, you can just resize it. Okay, how to resize it? Like as an example, I'm just going to download it in the PNG format. I'm going to download this. It is downloading all of the. I just need to download this one. So what I will do is I will just click on that, and I will click on download, and instead of all the pages I will just use the select current page, because I have selected this, so this is the current page, and I'm just click on done. uh, this is the page 4, so I'm just selecting page 4 and I'm just clicking done, and I'm just clicking on download. So now it is downloading this. Now I will open the paint, and in the paint I will open this downloaded file. So this is the file. So now it has been open in MS Paint. So what you can do is, the one option is you can resize from over here, but this is in the pro version. Okay, you won't be able to use it because it will ask to go for Canva Pro. So if you want to use it for free, what you can do is you can just download the file and you can just open in the paint, and you can click over here resize button. It needs to be selected, and you just need to click on resize button, and you can just change the pixel Right now it is 1280 by 720. You can just increase or decrease as you want. So as an example, I just want it to be 1080. So this button is active. It means it will not impact the resolution, okay, as per the pixel. But if you want particular, like if you want it to be square, so you can just deactivate this and you can separate it, like I'm just mentioning as an example. I know that will totally change the image resolution, but I'm just going to show you how. If you want some particular, I'm just going to use it for scale. So here it has made, but this is not really the good idea to do, because it is totally changing the. So what you can do is, I'm just going to do it for 1080 as an example. So here you can see it has changed the size, and still it is maintaining the image resolution. It is looking good, okay. But if you need, if you want to convert it to some particular pixel, you can just convert it, like as an example, I just want it to be 850 by 580 as an example. So you can just do that, okay. So that's how you can resize the image. Welcome back. So in this video, let's discuss about how to use the flashcards, or how to create a flashcards. So I will just go to home page first of all, clicking over here, then clicking on home page. So you will get the option over here. If you will go over here, so here you can see there's no option right now, but you can use the custom size, and I'm just using flashcards. So here you can see, so there are different type of flashcard available over here. So you can just, I'm going to select this animal flashcard. So it's here you can see, so you will get different type of templates. So flashcard, it's like, as we studied in small classes, so there were some images, pics, like for the primary school students, like this is for alligator pear. So like this you can use these templates if you have to use. Basically these are used in printing books for the small kids, okay. This is not only about the animals. So there are lots of templates for which you can use, like for displaying the information which looks like this is for the animals. So there are some information that is related to some particular category, as an example for trees, okay. So it that can represent different type of trees. This is for animals, okay. So like there are so many templates which are available and you can use. So here you can even change the images background color, you can add more images, okay. So this is the one option, like you can just change the text font. You can also change the font type from over here, okay. And you can also click on changes all, so it will changes for everything. And you can change the background color by selecting this, and here this is the background color. You can just change the color you want. Okay, and so I'm just changing it to, and I'm clicking on, so it will change wherever this color appears in this flashcard. Okay, so now this is done, but this is the option, like I have used the template. If I have to create my own flashcard, so how to do that? For basically what I need to do is I will just go to home and I will create a design, and I will option the flashcard. So this is the page one. So I'm just going to element and I'm just selecting a dog. So I'm just, getting some image. So as an example, I'm taking this one, and you can just use this line to put it in a center. Here you can see this is the line which is coming, and after that, just below that, I will add some element, that is rectangle. So I'm just going to use this rectangle. I will change its color. It's not showing black. Okay, so I will take some other rectangle. So I'm just going to take this one, and I can use this line, grid line, to place it in the center, and I am putting its name as, okay, I'm just going to use this one. This is bigger in size. Okay, leave it. uh, this one is fine, and I'm just adding a text over here by clicking text and add heading, and I'm going to add a heading, that is dog, and I'm keeping it over here, and I'm just going to change the, its color as green, and background color I'm going to change as yellow. Okay, so now this is like this. So, and background I'm just going to change it to, as an example, let me use this gradient color. This one is fine. So like this, I have created one page. Now what I can do is I can just click on duplicate page, and instead of doggy dog over here, I'm just deleting this, and I'm going to element, and I'm just selecting cat, and I will use the image of a cat. So I'm just putting it over here. I just need to ensure it is centrally aligned. So I'm just keeping center, and over here I just want to write cat. Now like this I'm creating one more, and I'm to use monkey, not money, it's monkey I just want to use, and I will use the image of monkey. So let me use this. I'm going to delete this one, and I'm writing over here monkey, and now the color is somewhat, you know, it looks like with the color of this. So I'm just going to change the background color, and instead of this yellow I'm just going to use this one, so that, and I'm just going to click on change all. So now this is looking really very nice, and I'm just going to see in the grid view. I can just use close this, and I'm just going to use the grid view. Here you can see, so this is a flashcard. You can make flashcard like this, and okay, so you can just create as many as you want. So next is how to save your work. So first of all, here you will see all changes saved. So you don't need to worry, as there's an auto save feature that is being done by canva.com. So whatever the changes you do, it is going to auto save. You don't need to press save. You don't need to save again and again. So it is getting auto save. Now you have to share it. So there's an option of clicking on share button. So the one thing is you can just use the copy link, and another option is you can download, you can print with Canva public view link. If you have to share it to public, you can just use public view link, and this is WhatsApp. So these are different options. The mostly used is template link. Like if graphic designer is working on some project and he has to share it to the team, so what he can do, he can just use the template link, and whatever the template he is working on, so he can share with the team and they can just open that template link in the Canva. Okay, another thing is you can download it. So there are different formats you can download. Like this is the JPG, that is image file format. This is PNG. This is also image file format. This is of good quality as compared to JPG, but JPG is considered when we have to use less size of the file. So it is of good quality, but its size is much bigger than as compared to JPG file. And you can use PDF file, if like as earlier in my lecture I told you about how to create an ebook. So ebook that should need to be downloaded in PDF standard format. Okay, so that it combines in all of the one file. And this is PDF print, this is SVG, another web design and animation format. This is MP4 video. You can if you have to create a video on canva.com, then you can use download. You need to download it in mp4 video file. So like this is gif, pptx, and this is png. So basically these are png file. So I will download it in png file. So I'm going to select this one, and here this you will get the option, so which page you want to download. So basically we have three pages. This is page 1, 2 and 3. So I can select 1, 2, 3 or all. So that's up to me what pages I want to download. I'm just selecting all pages, that is pages 1 to 3, and I'm just clicking on download. Okay, so now it has been completed, and if I will see over here, so it has given me a zip file which is having these three files. So here you can see I have got these image files. So if I have to download a video, so what I need to do is, as an example, I'm just going, because I have showed you like how to download a PDF and image. Now let me just go to video file. So I'm just going to create a design, and here you can see I can just click on videos, and so there are so many videos. So I'm just going to use this one. This is for happy birthday. So I just want to change it text. So I just want to use some different text. Yeah, that's fine. And but I want it to be in a same. If I will change it like this, so I can just make that one, and I can increase the size from over here. Okay, so this is just an example you how you can do the modifications. And let me just change it color. I'm just going to change its changing it color. This is not looking good. Not this one as well. Okay, so just let me use that one, and for this I'm going to use blue. Is not looking good. Okay, just let me change it to red, and this one, or this will look much better because this is the matching color as per the design. So, and I just want to use some animation on it, and I'm just using, so this is looking good to me. Okay, you can select as you want. So there are different options you can use, and okay, I'm just selecting this one. So I have just created a video. What I want to do is I just need to download it. I'm just going to, just let me play it once. Okay, you can also add audio to it. So, okay, that's fine. I'm just going to download this. So for that, you just need to click on share, click on download, and you just need to select the MP4 video and just click on download. And here you can see it is downloading. This video is only for of 5 seconds. So this is the last video of this course. So I hope you have learned very good skills about Canva. And if you are facing any issue, you can just comment me on this video or any of the video, and I will get back to you. If you think you are not able to perform any function on Canva, you can just comment me and I will get back to you. Okay. So that's about this video. So here you can see now this has been downloaded and it will just play. It is showing this text just because of this. Okay, just let me uh, I just need to, but this is fine. This text will not come in. If I will do the full screen, just let me. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so it has given me MP4 video file. So you can download like this and you can use this. If you face any issue, then you can just comment on any video. And I hope you have learned good skills and I wish you a very best of luck. And that's about this course. Thank you so much.